Hello friend, today I'll be talking on commenting in Python. How we can do comments in Python. It can be done in two ways. One is using hash, that is for single line comment, and opening and closing apostrophe. So there are three apostrophe to open the multi-line comment and three apostrophe to close the multi-line comment. So let's see how we can do this. So here is a test.python file. Let me open it in Notepad. Here I opened it. Now if I press hash or pound sign, you see it is getting commented. And to for multi-line comment, I need to use apostrophe. So you see all the lines got commented out. So I close the comments. So that is how we do commenting in Python. Thank you.